है तो मैं कैसे कॉग्नाइज करूंगा? I cannot take cognizance of that.
मैं तो आपसे
You see that point. If you like, you can raise it. And the honorable chairman is there because I have not seen it. I don't know.
इसके मतलब
No, I cannot. No, I am not allowing you to raise
इसका
it. now.
मतलब ये हो गया अगर कोई अधिष्ठाता मंडल का सदस्य चेयर पे बैठा है
No,
और
ऐसा
उसके सामने कोई बात हो जाए और उसके
No,
बाद
no,
आप
the
चेयर पे
point-
बैठ जाए तो
see-
आप उठा नहीं सकते इसका
नहीं ना
मतलब
उड़ा
ये
सकते हैं मैं
तो कैसे हो गया?
उड़ा सकते हैं मैंने बोला since chairman was sitting at that point of time in the chair I have only advised you to raise or take the matter with chairman. That's all my
इस
advice.
समय आप भी चेयरमैन हमारे लिए हैं। आप चेयरमैन से कम
You,
थोड़ी हैं।
how do I make a judgment? No, how do I pass a judgment on something which I do not know?
Why you are under estimated? आप estimate मत
No,
कीजिए।
you can no you can take up with honorable chairman. What is your what is your point of order? What is your point of order?
My point of order is under 238.
238.
Yeah, sir.
That is there.
Sir,
That is your point of order.
sir. Make a personal charge against a member. Sir, अभी ऑनरेबल नरेश अग्रवाल जी ने जिन शब्दों का इस्तेमाल किया मैं उसको दोहराना नहीं चाहता। उन्होंने कहा कि
क्या शब्द?
बीजेपी के सदस्य दलाल
क्या शब्द है?
सरकारी दलाल है। The members of the BJP
सरकारी दलाल?
सरकारी दलाल।
Dalal mean agent.
Yes. You go through the record, sir.
Yeah.
You go through the record.
Yeah.
This is the very objectionable, very derogatory, and
No.
unparliamentary both. And I am requesting you,
सरकारी
sir.
दलाल.
I am requesting you to not only spend, but we want apology from the honorable members also.
Sarkari Dalal. Is it unparliamentary? Agent. Agent of Sarkar. Let me see.
Yes.
Let me see. If it is unparliamentary, I will explain. Yeah. Come ahead. आप उसने की दलाल बनकर क्या कर रहे हैं? पूंजीपति होगी दूसरा दलाल नहीं सकता है। ये सरकार दलाली कर रही है। अरे सुनिए, the point is I want to be clear about it.
Yes.
See, इसमें लिखा है if you are the dalal of पूंजीपतियों, that is capitalist.
Yes.
It is an aspersion. If you say if it is सरकार dalal, how can it be? You are सरकार.
इन्होंने कहा कि ये दलाल
No,
है।
no, I am only asking.
No. से सरकार का दलाल।
I only asking.
Sir,
That is not the ruling, no.
Members है, he is the dalal.
No.
Members are dalal.
I am not giving. That is not a ruling.
He said no.
No.
How can?
I am only asking. You have to explain. No. Arey, let me. You go back. I am asking him a question. You go back.
Yes.
You please go back, honorable lady member.
Yes.
Honorable lady member, please go back. This is not good. You are an honorable lady member. You behave properly. No, I am. My question. My question is go back. My question is to the honorable minister himself. Because no, see you first of all know I do not know Hindi very much. I am only a tukada Hindi wala. You know that. See, let me say. इसलिए मैंने पूछा इधर लिखा है नो यस आई एम ओनली आस्किंग हिम इसलिए लिखा है पूंजीपति को दलाल ऐसा लिखा है दैट इज प्लीज अरे यू सिट डाउन आई एम ओनली ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड आई हैव नॉट गिवन अ रूलिंग देन व्हाई डू यू गिव या सी I only, my clarification is only this. You said Sarkar ki dalal. In the book likha hai पूंजीपतियों का dalal. Because agent of a capitalist. That is certainly derogatory. I am only asking you. Now, if you say you are agent of Sarkar, is it derogatory? That's all what I am saying. Tell me.
Sir, dalal.
Yeah, please.
Dalal.
Yes, say it to me. Let me understand.
Sir, dalal word itself is unparliamentary.
Dalal per se.
Derogative.
Okay,
And,
Dalal per se.
And Dalal word is unparliamentary.
Oh, that word
And
itself.
If the honorable member.
Okay.
If honorable member
ये
charge.
देखो, पूछो, दलाल word ऐसा है unparliamentary है।
This is
अरे
very
हिंदी में क्या करूं?
derogatory,
दलाली
unparliamentary, or we want apology from the honorable member.
दलाल नहीं हो सकता है या सरकार दलाली उनको बुलाओ हाँ उनको बुलाओ व्हाट इज द नेम No. Let me. Yes, I got it. Yes, I got it. Yes, because on another Rajasthan Vidhan Sabha is Sarkar ke Dalal. They have declared it unparliamentary. It is there. So. Unparliamentary. Yes. Arre, sit down. Let me complete. Sit down. What is this? Let me complete. You sit down. Let me complete this. What is this kind of indiscipline? Sit down there. You are not allowing me to complete it. Let me complete. See, this kind. I am sorry. I will let John and go away. This is this kind of indiscipline from treasury benches. Let me complete it. You don't allow me to do that. You raise a point of order and you don't allow me to complete. Not only that, मैंने पहले बोला सरकारी दलाल is unparliamentary, but further to that, दलाल itself सदस्य के लिए कहा गया है तो दलाल itself is unparliamentary. So expunged. Okay. सदस्य होंगे. Okay, now sit down. अरे what is this? Sit down. Now, okay, Naresh ji, हो गया. Okay, what is your point of order?
No,
okay, otherwise I will do that.
Clarification
Yeah.
to what you have said. Sir, clarification to what you have said. I have a point of order, definitely. And I will seek your permission.
What is your point of order? बोलिए.
Sir, but before that, I want to the light in Calcutta. There is a famous called the Dalal Street. Now we refer to that. Dalal is also a surname in many states.
Dalal apply to a member. That is what is in the book. Dalal when applied to a member is unparliamentary. छोड़ो ये lighter sense में लो छोड़ो. Now see, आनंद शर्मा जी
आप तो योद्धा की तरह से कूद पड़ते हो, कभी मजाक भी कर लिया करो. बैठ जाओ.
See, Anand Sharma ji, Dalal when applied to a member is unparliamentary. That is what is in the book. I saw it in the book.
Sir, I have a point of order.
Okay.
Sir, I have a point of order. Under Article 300A of the Constitution and also under Article 21. Sir, Article 300A of the Constitution says that no person shall be deprived of his property save by authority of law. Sir, neither the Constitution nor the law gives any authority to the Prime Minister or the government to deprive the people of their property, particularly the bank account holders, of their money. Sir, this is the Constitution, sir. Sir, even this is a point of order. Point of order है ये. अपने लोगों को बैठा ले. Sir, I want a ruling. Sir, because the Banking Regulation Act, the RBI Act and the Constitution of India does not vest the Prime Minister, Finance Minister of the government collectively with any power or authority to deprive people access to their own property, that's their money, lying in their own bank deposit accounts, or to ration that in any manner. And along with that, sir, my point of order, Article 21 of the Constitution, that no person shall be deprived of life or liberty. What has been done? 80 people have died. Sir, this is what has happened. There are 34 notifications, circulars. Sir, Chair may kindly listen to me, my submission, sir. Sir, the government has not tabled even one notification or one circular in the House. Not even one notification. RBI notification, sir. There is a report of the Subordinate Legislation Committee that they are treated as subordinate legislation, and all those circulars have to be tabled in the House. Sir, since 8th of November, the first RBI circular, and until now combined between the Finance Ministry, 23 circulars, and the circulars of RBI, 34 notifications in all, not even one has been tabled in this House. It's not only the Prime Minister not coming and explaining, where are those notifications? It is illegality being committed, and I want a ruling, sir, that whether this government has any right to deprive people of their property. Even, sir, Article 360 may be read. And Article 360, sir. Article 360 gives empower to the government to impose financial emergency. Even in the event of a financial emergency, austerity measures can be imposed. State can give directions, but it has to be with the approval of the President, and the salaries of the government employees only can be reduced when there is a financial emergency. Sir, here, provisions of financial emergency are being misused by this government without invoking or imposing or proclaiming. All right. I am very clear, sir, that it is illegality. There is no law. Okay. There is no law.
All right, I got to your point.
Sir.
I understood your point. I understood your point.
Sir.
Okay, now.
So we want ruling?
Yes.
You want a ruling on this?
Yes, I will give ruling. I understood your point. Sit down, sit down. Ask them to sit down. Naqviji, ask them to sit down. Naqviji, yes. Now listen, please. Now see, yes, Mr. Anand Sharma, I am not an advocate, but he has raised a very substantial, fundamental point. I agree. I am not saying that is irrelevant. I am not saying, but this is a matter which falls within the scope of the discussion, which we have taken. Now, please. Now, let me say, that is the very. You see, that is the very crux of the discussion. That is, listen. See, you have given a notice for demonetization. And on the basis, and that was a suspension notice also. On the basis of that, we have started a discussion. Within the scope of that discussion, all this, the legality or otherwise of the demonetization. No, let me complete. Don't. Please, let me complete. The legality or otherwise of the demonetization scheme can be discussed threadbare here, and the government is expected to give a reply for that. So your point, since it is a matter which is already before the House, under discussion, I cannot give a ruling that. It is for the government to do that now. I am not giving a ruling on that.
Constitution.
It's for the government to do that. Because it's a matter under discussion.
Point of order, sir.
Yes.
Nothing to do with the discussion.
Yeah.
I am talking of
Right? See, something for which
I am talking of
no, let me ask you.
reality and illegality. And sir, the chair should actually.
So you for that you continue the discussion. For getting yes, Misra ji,
हाउस नोटिफाई
Yes,
हो गया
for
था,
getting-
उसके बाद इन्होंने आदेश
Yeah,
जारी
yes.
किया बाहर 8 तारीख को,
इसलिए हम-
हाउस का कंटेम्प्ट किया,
इसलिए मैं
उसके
बोलता
बाद
है-
हाउस चल रहा है,
नहीं।
उसके बाद प्रधानमंत्री जी यहाँ नहीं आते,
Yes.
यहाँ पर प्लेस भी नहीं
I
करते,
agree कर
इस
रहे हैं।
तरह का
I
नोटिफिकेशन
said-
हाउस में नहीं लाया
See,
जा रहा
I
है।
said-
तो इसमें डिस्कशन की बात
No, I mean-
क्वेश्चन इज दिस कि आप
ना मिश्रा जी सुनिए, I said the point.
You are depriving
अब सुनिए,
poor man.
now
You are
listen.
depriving them their money which is in the bank.
अब सुनिए, that is what I am saying.
Without any order,
No.
without any legal document.
that is what I am
which is
saying.
Before the house, and they are depriving.
अच्छा now अभी सुनिए,
That is the question which
now
is raising.
that is why I said I am not saying that what the point raised is irrelevant. I am not saying that, but this is the point of the discussion. Therefore, yes. So this is to be discussed here. It is for the government to give a reply to. It is for the government to give a reply to that, not for the chair.
Honorable Deputy Chairman.
Chair cannot give a reply to that.
Honorable Deputy
Chair
Chairman.
cannot go into, no, I'll allow you. No, you see the point, let me complete it. See, this is a kind of, there's a kind of understanding. You see, chair is not to go into the pros and cons, merit or demerit, legality or otherwise, of a point of discussion before the house. That is my point. That is to be settled between the opposition benches and the treasury benches. You discuss and sort it out. It is not for the chair to answer that. That is what I am saying. No, that's what start the discussion.
जारी किया।
Start the discussion.
बोलते हैं
Sir,
वो सरकारी का
I called LOP. Resume the discussion. LOP. And then we will give the LOP. I called LOP. Whatever they want. LOP. I called LOP.
Sir,
LOP can
तीन
stand up and say even without point of order.
तीन चार चीजें इस सदन में स्पष्ट होनी चाहिए। सब लोग प्रधानमंत्री का आदर करते हैं, कोई
LOP is speaking, you have to listen. When LOP is speaking, you have to listen. Sit down. Let us keep up the decorum of the house. LOP is speaking, please listen. सुनिए,